Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I was watching the Grammys and I just saw that Brad Pitt won the Best Supporting Role, men's role. And why not go back and make a Brad Pitt from Fury? I think we'll not make it that short, but definitely we're gonna take some inspiration. Are you up for it, Mette?
I'm up for it. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say. I never wanna look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith. I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, take a chance.
Alright, we're almost done. So Mette, how did you cut my hair?
3 millimeters from the bottom and faded it up. Made an undercut in each side and cut it together in the back.
I just applied a little bit of water after the haircut. And then I put in Sidekick, blend it together with the water, straighten it back with the blow dryer, and finish off with some Gold Digger hair wax to get some separation and texture. And as always, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this hairstyle, and like the video and be a subscriber, and you can be a part of the secret giveaway. So see you guys next time.